Alright, we're going to go ahead and replace the safety, the stock safety, with the Vang comp dome safety. It does not come with any of the red, red or dead. It's just black. So I stole some of the old lady's fingernail polish in this. I didn't have a red, or she didn't have a red, but I did find this like bright orange, and this seems to stick out just about as much as a red. So I just went ahead and put that in there, let it dry a little bit. Still a little tacky, but I'm going to go ahead and switch this out and let it dry overnight before I start using it. So we're going to go ahead and take apart the take the pin spring and the detent out here to get to the safety and swap it out. There is a pin here. You have your flat side, which is basically flush, and you have, see if it'll focus here, I'm probably not going to see it, and then you have a little pointed side of the pin right there. So there's the flat side, and we're going to go ahead and push it out. You're going to want to, you can see it right in here, and you're going to want to keep your hand or your thumb over this hole. The spring and the detent are underneath, and they're going to want to pop out, and good luck finding them. So keep a finger over the top. There's the pin, and here's the spring, your detent. There we go. Slide the new one in, put the detent back in there. Put the spring back in. And remember, you got your flat side here. Okay, you get the pin just started right there on that bad boy, and you gotta kind of help push that spring down. And pop it back in. I'm going to back it back out just a little bit, make sure it's flush, because that's the way it was when I took it out.